March. Dear church, attorney, and social workers, my name is Phuong Nguyen. I'm the birth mother of Angel May Ting Nguyen and Thing Tam Ending Nguyen. Please help me not to terminate the reunification services and give me a chance to be a mom to my 2 expensive IVF children. I know I have schizophrenia, but I can function and can work and can raise children. When I was pregnant with Andy, I did not take psychiatry medication to protect the baby from harm because of medication. I really want the children back to my care and have improved 75% according to my psychiatrist, Dr. Haile. Based on mental health and medication, I feel normal with the help of Haldol shot and Lexapro, Cogentin, Thorazine. Please give me a right to raise my children, for I did not abuse or neglect my children. I have mental health, but I did under care of doctor and counseling therapist. For a long term, I believe I can raise my children as single mom. I really need help from family to raise 2 children with me and watch them growing. I don't have a husband, but I can raise my children well. I can work and could create 2 IVF babies, 2 pregnancies successful to make babies born out. Please help both mother to reunify with the children. I completed parenting class twice for both babies and I need your help. Please consider Angel's case and Andy's case. My psychiatrist Phuong Nguyen, who was the first psychiatrist to tell my mom if I take medication I can graduate from college, and it's true that I got my BA degree as film and the electronic arts bachelor degree. Now my psychiatrist told me if I take medication, I can raise the children. Dr. Haile said that he would help me take the children back and with treatment as medication. These are some medication for pregnant women, but when I was pregnant, I was so fine until some of my symptoms come back, like tapping my hands up my thigh. Now the tapping the hands stopped after 3 times injection and pills after baby born. Please help me get my custody back. Thank you for understanding. Sincerely, Phuong Nguyen. March 25th, 2025. Dear church, attorney, and social workers, my name is Phuong Nguyen. I would like to appeal about a church decision to terminate family reunification services. I know I have schizophrenia, depression. I have been taking medication injection every month and pills every day, prescribed by Dr. Haile. He said that if I take my medication, I can take care of my children. He is my psychiatrist, and he believes I can raise my children. The medications are really working, and the tapping of my hands and thighs are completely stopped. I was a student nurse. I know medication is needed for me, and I never miss a dose. I am on antipsychotic medication and antidepressant medication. I want to defend for my schizophrenia that about my behavior leading me to attend hospital. My counseling therapist believes if I have medication and counseling, even if I have schizophrenia, I still can raise my children. I work full-time now and always have a family to support me when I'm sad and I don't have a husband. Angel and Andy don't have a father, but they have uncle and grandma, aunt-in-law, cousin. That is a full family. Please don't terminate the family reunification services because I need my family. My father passed away 17 days before Angel was born on May 15, 2023. That made me depressed and the symptoms come back. I used to have my finger communicating with me, but with the time that I was on medication, it stopped. Now the finger does not communicate with me if I'm working or doing something. If I stay still, the finger will communicate, but my doctor say that medication will help my finger to stop, and I have to talk back to my finger, stop doing the finger movement to me. And I had this experience before. When I was pregnant as a second time, my finger and my hands tapping my thighs, but now the hands have stopped tapping with communication. I had total of 5 times medication injection and pills after the second child, Thing Tam Ending, was born. And I never listened to my finger. If my finger is still doing the movement, I do something and it stopped making the finger movement. I believe I can raise my 2 children as single mom and with my mom and my brother, my sister-in-law to help me. Please let Angel and Andy grow up with a huge family. and I can work, can cook, can clean, can study, can raise my children as single mom. My family loves Angel and Andy so much. Please give us a second chance to raise two beautiful IVF baby. One is half Vietnamese, half white, and one boy is a Caucasian little guy. My dream comes true to have two children. Andy is a makeup for Angel's sibling as the second child because Angel's twin embryo was having miscarriage. But Angel as embryo survived when Dr. Vitoni Kushner transferred two twin embryo, but Angel survived and the other embryo did not make it. Please help me as I did 3 times IUI, 4 times embryo transfer, and 3 IVF treatment to create children. I did not want to adopt a child, but I do expensive IVF because I want to feel being a real mother to get pregnant. My blood helped my children to be pregnant through IVF, donor egg, donor sperm. Andy and Angel have a full family and should not be separated. Please consider not to terminate my family reunification services. Thank you. Sincerely, Phuong Minh. March 27, 2025. Dear Church Attorneys, Council, County Council, Social Workers. My name is Phuong Minh. I have good news about my health that the index finger stopped making the movement because it could not talk and tell. It could talk and tell the movement of my finger stopped, and it stopped after 5-time injection of Haldol 200 milliliter every month, and I take medications every day. Dr. Haile gave me Lexapro 5 mg, Cogentin 1 mg twice a day, and Thorazine 50 mg twice a day. Please don't terminate the parental right to put my children on adoption. Even though I have schizophrenia and depression, but I still can function well. I can drive, I can go to class, I can cook, I can work full-time, I can clean. I can raise my children with the support of the whole family. Baby Angel and baby Thing Tam Andy need to grow up with a big family. There were many reasons that led me to go to hospital. I was pregnant second time and I wanted to get the injection of antidepressant psychotic medication, but the OB/GYN doctor told me after the baby born I can continue my medication, and I plan to take medication after the second baby born. I have to defend for myself that I can handle raising children on my own and also with a full family to help. After my first baby was taken away and Angel has a foster care, I became very sad. Social worker took Angel in July and I was pregnant and I felt so into postpartum depression. Then my hand used to tap my thighs and I was pregnant and I fell into postpartum depression. Then my hand used to tap my thigh. I have inflammation and now the tapping of has completely stopped, and whenever my finger movement with information, I stop it right away. I talk back like, stop harassing me, stop making the movement, please let my finger movement go away. And now the index finger have stopped. And now the index finger have stopped. Dr. Haile told me and educate me about importance of taking medication, and I have Medi-Cal and Medicare, so I always have support about health insurance from the government. Please don't terminate parental right and put on adoption to my too expensive IVF children. I beg the court for an appeal about terminating reunification services. My family, everyone loves Angel and Andy. My brother and my mom were staying home taking care of Angel when she was born. My brother was very sad when he was trying to pick up baby Angel from school and Melanie Linzaga came in and took baby away. My brother felt like crying and he was very sad. My brother has an 18-year-old daughter and she goes to college now. My brother has a full-time job. My mom has a job. I have a job. So everyone has to work their own schedule. After Melanie Linzaga took Angel away and I went to postpartum depression, but I knew I could do well. My family needs to be together. Please don't separate Angel and Andy away from birth mom. I had 3 times cutting on my body. 1 is fibroid surgery and 2 times C-section. I had pain and with the medication to ease the pain. And now I am back on my shoes, and after taking medication and injection in the hospital, I follow with Dr. Haile. My fingers stopped making a movement, feel like communication. The reason I had to be in the hospital because I felt something bothering me. I called 911 asking for help. And during pregnancy with Andy, I had to talk to two counseling therapists until September. And then I disclosed I was pregnant when I was in the hospital. Please give me a chance to be a birth mother to fulfill my dream to have 2 kids, 1 boy, 1 girl. Please don't terminate my parental rights. Thank you. Sincerely, Phuong Thi Nguyen. April 10, 2025. Dear Church, Attorneys, County Council, Social Workers, I just want family reunification services. Because the court terminated the reunification services of Angel's case, then the case with Andy does not have family reunification services. But earlier, Lucy Valencia offered family reunification service for Andy. My attorney, Jose Rodriguez, already filed for appeal to have family reunification services. Please help the birth mom to have children back. Dr. Heiler certified that I no longer have hallucination, strange thought or weird, or no longer have finger talking to me. Today I saw my 2 kids with my mom. My mom sees Andy and Angel for 1 hour and I had 3 hours. Everything went fine and I no longer struggle to watch 2 kids. Angel for 1 hour is 22 months and active and started to listen to mommy and understand the instructions. I'm happy to see my IVF babies and my mom is happy too. When Angel was born, my mom Tham Minh Nguyen was a caregiver and she loves the babies. I see my Angel and no monitor. I know I have depression and schizophrenia, but I am called working while disabled and Social Security give me tickets to work. I work full-time and saving money. My brother and sister work full-time. My mom Tam works part-time. I need my mom to live with me because my father passed away and then Angel was born. My mom was very sad that her husband died and Angel was her hope and joy and she taught me how to be a great mom. The reason I had 2 kids because I live with my family like my mom, my brother, my sister-in-law, my niece. I hope Angel and Andy can come home when the appeal court date will be issued. We are a family together. Please don't separate birth mom and birth children. The sperm donor and egg donor to give to me to create 2 IVF babies. The same donor guy and I make Angel and Andy happen. I promise I will take my medication. One of the counseling therapists told me the schizophrenia and depression can be healed and need treatment to raise the children. I have mental illness. Does not mean I don't know how to take care of my kids. Melanie Linzaga thinks anyone has mental illness, she will give the babies to adoption, which is unfair for the birth mother. Melanie started working as a social worker in April 2024 and still don't have a good judgment or good decision according to my professional psychiatrist. Melanie does not understand the good effect of medication for my case. My doctor highly confirmed that I can raise my baby as single mom with the help of antipsychotic, antidepressant, anti-anxiety. Dr. Haile said that Melanie assessed me different than professional psychiatrists assess me. Melanie discriminates on my disability. I can work, I can cook, I can clean, I can raise babies, I can clean the fruit garden. I am back on my feet. I need help from my social worker, Melanie Linzaga. She did not help me. Instead, she wants Angel on adoption. I explained to her the donor egg and donor sperm. Donate the eggs and sperm for those people who want to make children. I did 3 times IUI with my egg not working. I had 4 times transfer of embryo and 3 times expensive IVF. I spent total of $70,000 to make IVF success with 2 children. Donor egg, the person loves to give the eggs to me, and donor sperm from sperm bank also help infertility people. Melanie cannot take my children and give to someone else who are strangers. Please help make Melanie change her mind about terminate the reunification services. The Dr. Haile told me he is welcome to talk to my social worker Melanie and social worker Lucy. Call Michelle to help us to arrange the time that they want to talk. Doctor, thank you. Sincerely, Phuong Thi Nguyen. May 4, 2025. Dear Church Attorney, Deputy County Counsel, Social Worker, Psychiatrist Dr. Haile. It's a very long journey for me to make my dream coming true, to have one daughter, one son. Let me tell you how hard it is to make two beautiful IVF children with a lot of support from full family of grandma, uncle, aunt-in-law, and cousin. For Angel and Andy, please help me to make my children in my care with the help of antipsychotic injection and medication to take. I got diagnosed with schizoaffective disorder, the person's type, but I can function well. I have to defend for myself to prove that I can raise two children as single mom. My children don't have a father, but my brother Yi, my mom, my sister-in-law, my niece really love Andy and Angel. I remember I checked in with the fertility doctor in 2015. I was 35 years old at that time. I did not have a boyfriend or husband, so I could not do IVF at that time when my eggs was still very good. In 2018, I had my doctor OBGYN Kevin Kaitiu discover I have fibroids in the uterus and I needed surgery to remove the fibroids to get pregnant. I got the surgery done, then 2018 was delayed to take the XL. In 2022, I came back to IVF Dr. Terrence Lee to do 3 times IUI, which means I had to put the sperm in the uterus to wait for the egg to meet the sperm. It was 3 times not working, so doctor office recommended me to do frozen egg with IVF. Dr. Terrence Lee suggests find a cheaper office, and I had to wait for the fibroid surgery. So after I got the surgery in November 2020, I knew I could get pregnant. I did the frozen egg and sperm donor of both, and I had 6 donor frozen eggs, and it made into 2-week embryo. Doctor transferred 2 embryo for me, but could not get pregnant. Then Dr. Valerie Kushni, IVF doctor, told me there's a fresh egg donor who is walking to the office. Doctor recommended me to do fresh eggs. I bought 2 more extra eggs for 6 donor fresh eggs. With 8 eggs, gave me 5 embryo. I transferred 2 embryo, but did not know the gender. But Angel embryo attached to the uterus, and the other embryo had a miscarriage. Angel lost a sibling as embryo, and the blood of the miscarriage was staying in there for 4 months. Then I was very sad that the embryo got miscarriage, and I still had 3 embryo in Angel sibling, and then I have Angel born on May 15, 2023. I was very happy, but I promised with Angel I will make a sibling for her. After Angel was born, I had to have a testing for genetic to 3 embryo. 1 was unknown gender, and 2 girl embryo are not normal. Doctor transferred the unknown gender did not attach to the uterus, so I had to go online to sperm bank and order the same sperm donor, and while waiting for the egg donor, I had to Italian and Irish young woman to walk to the office to donate eggs. Then my doctor had to make a 3rd IVF round, so she donated 6 eggs, and I bought 1 more egg. 7 eggs made into only 1 embryo, and doctor transfer. It was successful pregnant. Then I was so happy. I had 1 boy, 1 girl. In 2021, psychiatrist Masifi knew I wanted children. She ordered injection medication to help reduce the prolactin level due to taking pills. And my doctor, psychiatrist Vinh Nguyen, talked to the IVF doctor, and Dr. Vinh Nguyen suggested to get pregnant, but he told me that I had if I have a baby, come to take the medication again. I said, okay, doctor, psychiatrist, check me out from Westminster Healthcare Agency to get pregnant progress. Then after I have Angel born May 15, 2023, I started back to take medication, and because my goal was to give Angel a sibling, I had to give her brother, a sister, a brother or sister, and then a blood test, which is the pregnant with the boy. He's Caucasian. Angel is half Vietnamese, half white, Angel is mixed with 50% Vietnamese and French, German, Irish, Greek. And Andy, my son, is French, German, Irish, Greek, and Italian. Because the doctors talked to each other in 2022, Dr. Terence Lee, IVF, and Dr. Lee Nguyen both wanted me to check out from healthcare agencies so I can figure during IVF I cannot take psychiatry medication because of afraid of birth defect. But now I know my doctor highly told me that there are medication for pregnant women to take while pregnant. So after second child born, I was on medication again. Now I work full-time, visit my children every week, twice a week. Please help me keep my babies with my family. I have a bachelor degree in film and electronic arts, and I work as a nail technician since I was 19, and I save money to do IVF. Please don't take my children away. Please don't terminate parental right. I never abuse my children. Please help. Sincerely, Phuong Thanh Nguyen. May 6, 2025. Dear Church Attorney, Deputy County Counsel, and social workers, please don't terminate my parental right from me. I have been visiting my children for many months, and with the help of medication, I'm better now. The medication really kicked in after 6 months of injections and pills. I have many good qualified things to take the children back in my care. I have been seeing my children twice a week, and I love them so much. Today I visit Andy, and he smiles all the time. My dream comes true to have one daughter, one son. It's a long process to make children happen in my life. I was diagnosed with schizoaffective depressive type. Medication have been helping me for many years, and that's why I used to keep saying I don't have mental illness. But I always take medication and shots, and I believe I'm back to normal life. I can drive, can work, can take care of myself, can take care of my children with the help of psychiatry medication. I love my children so much. After high school time, I wanted a husband or fiance, but I did not have. I went to community colleges, to state university. I studied real estate, also studied film and electronics arts. I studied manicuring to have a job to survive. I studied body, also massage. I studied esthetician, and I have the nail license and manicuring license and the esthetician license. These two licenses helping me to have a job. I'm back to work full-time, and I went to see my two children. I'm so happy to see Andy and Angel smile. Andy smiles a lot. And today I went visited him. He did not cry, and he got a nap on my arms, and he's so cute, boy. I really love children since I was 19. I used to help watching a baby when he was 4 months. His name is Alex Nguyen, and he's a mixed kid with Vietnamese and Caucasian. So I dreamed to have a mixed child, and now I have a mixed child and a Caucasian child, and they are so beautiful. Everyone in my family loved them. Please understand in my situation that Angel was born 17 days after my father passed away. I was very sad, and then when Angel was born, I talked nonsense. Now they put me in psychiatric hospital for treatment. They did not know what the doctor psychiatrist told me to take medication after baby born, but then I was back on medication after Angel was born. And then when pregnant with second child, I protect my son and afraid of birth defect if I take psychiatry medication during pregnancy. Because OB/GYN doctor recommended do not take psychiatry medication during pregnancy, I have been better with my mental health. I can cook, can clean, can drive. Social Security Administration give me ticket to work, and I'm back to my normal life with working of being a mom. Please help me because my health is so much better, because I know myself better than anyone. I have one care health insurance which is combined in Medicaid and Medicare. Thank God for the Medicaid helped me for so many years, and I am qualified for Medicare because I worked since I was 19. So I promise I will make medication and injection, antipsychotics, antidepressant, anti-anxiety. Please don't terminate my parental right because I am compliant with the medication, and the medication really works for me. Thank God and thank America for having a wonderful government services to help those who are in need I don't want to lose my children, but I want to protect my children with the help of a healthcare agency. Again, please don't terminate parental rights. I'm not severe mental illness. I can function in everything. Thanks. Phuong Thanh Nguyen. May 26, 2025. Dear Judge Sykes, Attorney, Deputy County Counsel, and Social Workers. My name is Phuong Thanh Nguyen. My dream came true because I did bear 2 children. 1 boy, 1 girl with IVF. When I was 22, I wanted to have a baby to care for, but at that time I had to go to a nursing school and then later transfer to film and electronic arts, studying to be a filmmaker while maintain my job as nail technician. I love Thiện Tâm and Đình Nguyen and Angel Mỹ Thiện Nguyen very much. They are both donor egg, donor sperm children, and I have the same sperm with a Vietnamese donor egg person and the same sperm with Italian and Irish donor egg person. I hope to have reunification services and not to terminate my parental right. I love my children and I have schizoaffective disorder, depressive type, but that is being controlled of antidepressant and antipsychotic, anti-schizophrenic injection. Please help me because I believe I can raise my children. Growing up with a full family that has Grandma Tam, Uncle Yi, my brother, and in-law one. I no longer have the fingers communicating or making a movement anymore. I am working full-time to save money. My brother and my mother love Angel and Andy so much that I can see my mom cries almost every day hoping Angel and Andy can come home. I beg you, please help my family reunite with my kids. Everyone was so happy when Angel in the house, and caregiver grandma loves her so much since Angel was taken away July 12, 2024 because Melanie came to my front door and saw me through the door and took my Angel away. My brother was just picking up her and bringing her home. I did try to move out because my brother and my mom told me, and I went to my brother's friend and stayed there tried to live there in a motel for 3 days, and it was so expensive. I did not know the court ordered me to move out because my attorney was not there to tell me the court wanted me to move out. Please, after 7 months of medication, it works and I'm back to normal. Please help me to return my babies to my family. I was a certified nurse assistant and worked for a nursing home and took care of patients to bath, eat, shower, diaper duties. I know how to take care of other people, but since my back got painful of lifting patients in nursing home and I had to do nails, which is more income than certified nurse assistant. I'm not severe super mental illness, and it was just the thought disorder that I had. After 21 years of dreaming to have children, I got 2 successful time IVF and 1 failed IVF. Please help me because I can raise my children as a single mom, and with the help of medication that help me every day, I still function well. I can cook, clean, work, drive, take care of myself. Please give me a chance to be a birth mother on duty. Please visit 2 times a week is not enough for me. I miss my children every day, and especially Grandma Tam Nguyen cries every day talking about how she loves Angel. She did not do anything wrong, but only July 12 I haven't found an apartment or sharing a house because I was just from the motel that I stayed for a few days. Melanie saw me and it took Angel away without any warning. I just had a 60-day trial and took care of Angel, and during the 60-day trial, I called 911 and report my basement was changed from remodel. There was locked, no more basement, and then the ambulance took me to emergency room. I protect my pregnancy, but not letting hospital staff know I was pregnant of Andy Nguyen, and I refused to give them blood work or putting catheter in my bottom. That was why I was acting mad, and they transferred me to hospital, and Melanie came to hospital and saw me. She said that in the court 60-day trial failed. I was taking care of Angel really well for almost 2 months. I gave her bath, feed her, and cook for her. I love my Angel so much, so don't terminate my parental rights because I did not abandon my kids or abuse my kids. I was a student nurse and learning how to take care of my children. I was a care provider for my father in the end of his life, and I worked for in-home supported services. I still can raise my children as single mom and have affected this precious type. Please return my babies to my family. The journey of making 2 babies was a dream for 10 years, and then 2 angels were born with the same birth mom and same sperm. Please help me. Thank you. Phuong Minh Win. Case number 23DP0560 and case number 24DP1404. Dear church, social workers, attorney, and deputy county counsel, my name is Phuong Minh Win. Please save my family from falling into depression. My mom and my brother miss my 2 babies so bad. The reason I have Andy, a second child, because my brother missed because Angel's embryo was miscarriage, was why Angel survived as an embryo. I made up for Angel to create a sibling for her, and I tried to another transfer with frozen embryo, not successful. Before I got pregnant with Angel, my psychiatrist Vinh Nguyen talked to my first IVF doctor, Terrence Lee, and he checked me out from healthcare agency, and psychiatrist Vinh Nguyen told me to go ahead and make a baby but come back to agency after the baby born. So during pregnancy with Angel, I did not have psychiatry medication. I was very happy I got pregnant with Angel, but was sad I had to 1 embryo miscarriage. Otherwise, Angel would have a twin. So when I was pregnant with Andy, I had to have injection every day for 11 weeks. So I did hide to not tell my mom that I'm making second child, and then the 4th time embryo transfer was successful with Andy, my Caucasian donor egg donor sperm baby. I love them so much and I don't want to lose them for adoption. Please help me, family, including my mom and my brother. They are angry and very sad. My babies are mine. They are not anyone else. They are my own. Please don't put my children into adoption, but give my family, like my brother, to be legal guardian to 2 cases. I do visit my children twice a week, and I never abuse or abandon my children. I wish for reunification services with my children. I have 3 cuts. 1 was fibroid surgery to take the fibroid out so I could get pregnant, and 2 times C-section. I have a big scar like a worm on my bikini line. Please be fair to the journey of making IVF babies for 10 years. I dreamed to have 2 babies for many years, more than 10, and since then they was born for 7 months. I still don't have menstruation period. I no longer have healthy eggs. My dream came true to have 2 children. Please be fair between birth mother and birth children. I need help. Please help me not to put Andy and Angel into a stranger adoption. The total cost of IVF journey with 2 babies was $70,000, including polyp surgery before pregnancy can happen. It's not easy to make a baby over when the woman is over 43 years old. If you don't grant my baby back to birth mother, please grant my brother would be legal guardian. I have schizoaffective depression type, but I can function. I can work. I can drive. I can take care of the oldies and babies. Please give me a chance to be a mother. Please don't refer my kids into adoption. Thank you so much. Sincerely, Phuong Minh Nguyen. Miss Secondary 1993@gmail.com. Thank you. So these are the letter that I wrote to the social worker Melanie Linzaga, and she printed out and put it to the court report, so the judge can read it. And she put out also the package she sent to me, a package of monitor visit with my children, and they have been observing me. And I just wish that I can take the baby back and not terminate my parental right. Thank you.